Martha's Community Farm, an innovative food bank garden and food forest riparian buffer project in Lower Providence Township, received a 2024 Montgomery Award for community impact, environmental stewardship, and partnership collaboration. This exceptional project, which demonstrates creative vision and a unique approach to solving food insecurity challenges while implementing environmentally sensitive practices, provides a sustainable community asset that not only serves the community, but also relies on the community for its success. Let's take a look.
So in 2020, Martha's Choice Marketplace was approached by leadership at Catholic Social Services about coming to St. Gabriel's Hall, which was closing in December of 2020, to begin growing food for our community.
And so Jesse came in and, you know, with some amazing partners from Penn State Master Gardeners, amongst others, really kind of re-envisioned this entire property in terms of how it could grow food for the nearly 5,000 guests that we serve at Martha's each and every year.
Martha's Community Farm is part of Martha's Choice Marketplace and Community Farm, which is the largest food pantry in Montgomery County, meaning we're the most visited. We have about 25,000 people come annually, and last year the pantry did about 2.5 million pounds of food. And we provide the fresh food for the pantry. Most of the stuff that gets donated to a pantry can be at the end of its shelf life, and everything that goes from the farm can go over that day or the next day, so it's really fresh. And we can also provide really relevant food to most of our guests. About 60% of our guests are Spanish speaking. So we grow an entire garden full of hot peppers.
They may have mentioned it before, but we're looking at an entire field of sweet potatoes that's coming in. A lot of different cultures and cuisines use sweet potatoes in their food. They're healthy for the human body. They're also healthy for the soil. They put nitrogen back into the soil, and so that's one of the crops that we grew this year.
So the Montgomery County Conservation District initially received an inquiry from Martha's Community Farm, and it was back in October of 2021, and the farm had expressed an interest in working together collaboratively with the Penn State Master Watershed Steward Program and Penn State Master Gardeners, as well as working with the Conservation District to pursue an opportunity to establish a riparian or stream-side food forest here at Martha's Community Farm.
When Jesse, along with the Montgomery County Conservation District, planted all of those trees, a lot of different fruit and nut-bearing trees and other native trees that provided good habitat for a balanced ecosystem, so that those trees will be bearing food for the pantry into the future.
And so with that interest, this was a great opportunity, knowing that the establishment of a food forest along the Perkiomen Creek would not only complement water quality protection and soil erosion reduction objectives, but would also lead to a number of benefits in terms of providing for food security in the community.
There aren't a lot of food forests in this region, or in fact in the country. At the time of planning this, there were only about 75 or so in the whole United States. We wanted to install the food forest for a variety of reasons, but also as a way of engaging the community and educating folks who come to the farm. We selected a lot of different species, all native, with the hopes that they would help the ecology of the region, as well as produce fruit and nuts for our food pantry in Norristown.
I mean, one of the things that the pantry offers is connection. First and foremost, we are a food pantry. That's why people come to Martha's Choice Marketplace. But within that is the opportunity to know people, to really understand communities and individuals and what they're experiencing and what their needs are. And so the focus of the pantry has always been to investigate that so that we have a better understanding of the people we serve, and that often leads to a better understanding of ourselves. And I think the farm presents that same opportunity.
And Our guiding principle has really been ecological in nature. How can we have enough variety in our programming and act as a hub for a community to come together to grow the food. So the more variety, the more resilient a system is, and that's kind of our ethos. So bringing everyone together is going to make this place more resilient and have longevity, and that's the goal. We have a couple things that run through our 4 years here, and one of them is how can we create a growing community, and in a transformative sense to people that come here and volunteer, to our partners, to us, the staff. We're growing and learning together with everyone, but also with the land, how can we grow the land in a way where we're environmental stewards for it, and transform the land as we're going along so it evolves in a way that's healthy for the community as the community is being involved in its transformation.
Thank you for taking the time to learn about this exceptional project. If you want to learn more about this project or any of the other winners, please visit our website at montgomerycountypa.gov/planning.